we are going to be starting with our science unit today. And for our science unit, we are going to be using a magnifying glass to make smaller objects appear larger. But before we do that, I want to know if anyone ever has a hard time seeing. Raise your hand. No? Okay. Have you ever been in the back of the classroom and you weren't able to see the board, so you were like squinting at something, squinting your eyes? No? Okay. You? Yes?
Maybe.
Little bit? Okay, yeah, that's a good example of that. Sometimes we have, when we're looking at things from afar or we're looking at things very small, it's really hard to see, so you really have to squint at that. So, what are some things that you have trouble seeing that are really small? Maybe
sugar, salt.
Yeah, those are really good examples. Sugar and salt are very, very, very tiny, right?
Yeah, just really
Focus, no? Focus. I use salt and use sugar.
Yeah, those are very, very small things that
Very
are
small,
sometimes
yes,
hard to
yes.
see.
I have to use a magnifying glass to see normally.
Very good. Raise your hand next time, okay? Thank you. Okay, so today we are going to be using a magnifying glass to make small things appear larger. By doing this, we are able to see important details that we normally wouldn't be able to see because of the object size. We are going to be using this tool and looking at different seeds. I have 4 different seeds right here. I have pumpkin seeds, cantaloupe seeds, daisy seeds, and cactus seeds. And we are going to be writing stuff down. We're going to be finding one characteristic about each seed and drawing a picture and coloring it in. Before doing this, I want to mention other ways that we can use magnifying glasses. So, raise your hand if you know someone that wears glasses. You do?
Yes.
Who wears glasses?
One of my friends.
One of your friends? Do you have any family that wears glasses?
No.
No, just friends? Okay. So one example of a magnifying glass is glasses.
Boy, yes.
Glasses. Another one is a microscope.
Super glasses.
Yes.
Super glasses.
You can see little molecules. If you take a sample of like water from the ocean, you can actually see molecules going around. You can see bacteria. It really, really, really zooms in on the object. And you probably won't use this until later.
Microscope.
Microscope. Yeah. And this is a telescope. You use this to see stars and planets and everything like that. So these are some examples of
For example,
glasses.
like me fly. Like
Yes.
my mama fly. Come in, fly.
Exactly. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use a magnifying glass. So I have this leaf. It's pretty big. It's not too small. But if I put it down on the table and I find a good distance, you kind of have to see exactly what distance. Keep your head. You don't want to bring it in like this. Just keep it at a good distance and just move it around.
Can see insects, many bacteria, many.
Exactly. You can see insects, small ants, or anything else. You can see some rips or some tears.
And with eggs.
Yes.
Eggs.
With eggs, maybe spider eggs or something.
Spiders.
So I'm going to show you guys exactly how you use it. So as I said before, you just kind of hold it. And you can mess with it. You can kind of bring it closer. You can bring it further. And you can see details in it that you haven't seen before. So you can see all the seams and all of the details about the leaves, right, that you weren't able to see before.
Yeah, it looks like there's tiny dots around all of them.
Exactly, and you can't see that with the naked eye. You have to have some type of magnifying glass that you can use in order to see it.
Interesting.
All
Very
interesting. Yes.
Very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah.
Okay, work together. You guys are going to be looking at some different seeds. I have this worksheet for you guys, okay? So it has all the seeds listed. There's pumpkin seeds, cactus seeds, daisy seeds, and cantaloupe seeds. Right underneath this, I want you guys to draw a picture of what you see. And I want you guys to put one characteristic of each. It could be that it could be about the size, it could be about the texture, it could be anything that you find about the seed. Write one thing about the seed down right over here. We're going to be completing this. I will give you guys 5 minutes and it will be done, okay? If you guys have any questions, raise your hand and I will come around and answer them. You guys are working together.
Maybe color code.
Yes, draw. So you guys are going to be drawing with your pencil first.
But which one? This I cannot understand.
So that one is going to be pumpkin. So you guys will do this first.
Only this I draw. All this big.
You can just draw one.
No, this two? No.
No.
Only this.
Just one.
Just one?
Just one. Yep. And you guys are going to be using the magnifying glass together as a group, drawing it, and you can color it as well. Okay. So once you move on to pumpkin, it's going to be cactus.
Look, this. I'm ready.
Perfect.
Yes.
Yes. Perfect. And then just list one characteristic and be sure to draw the picture and color it in.
One, I can more. If you want more. No?
That's perfect. Perfect. You can draw another one if you like.
Yes, yeah, like.
I will let you guys know as soon as time runs out. I am keeping track on this phone. Good job. Okay, so this is the cactus. And when you guys are done with looking, make sure that all the seeds stay on their place or where they're placed right now. Make sure that you don't move them and make sure you're not throwing the magnifying glass or anything like that. Yes, Adam?
How do you spell medium?
M E E D I U M. There you go.
What? This.
Very
Is
good.
Good. This.
Perfect. Now you can move on. Cactus seeds. Right over here.
Next.
Next is cactus. Yes.
This.
Perfect. Cactus.
Cactus.
Yep, this is cactus. Yes.
This
Perfect.
cactus this
Pumpkin.
pumpkin. What is
Yes.
pumpkin? Pumpkin, это this.
Right there. Yes.
Это big, это very tasty.
Yep. Perfect.
Так.
Okay, now you're going to moving on to.
Это little, just little. Look. Little, yes? Little.
It's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect.
Look. My Adam, look.
He did that, so
Yes,
he's going to
yes.
move on to Daisy.
Yes.
Perfect. Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
No, because I'm
And then here is daisies, like the flower.
Oh, Daisy,
Mhm.
Daisy, I like so like.
Me too.
Daisy,
Yes, he's good. Perfect, you guys. Those are awesome pictures. I love it. Good job.
And this longer, this around, black around, this longer, longer and short, different, no, a lot, many longer.
Yes, those are perfect. Let me just make sure that this is still recording. Okay, perfect.
This is cactus.
All right, you guys are doing great with time. We have about 45 seconds left. So our last seed is going to be cantaloupe seeds.
Cantaloupe.
Yes, cantaloupe. Yes.
No,
Type of
cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe. Yes.
Cantaloupe.
Yes.
Cantaloupe. Look, what cantaloupe bigger than this, bigger, smaller than this.
Yeah. Yeah. Good observation.
Different.
Yeah, they're all different sizes. depending on, it doesn't
Different
matter what
sizes,
size,
different
yeah, they're
sizes.
all different sizes. That's a really good observation.
Yes, different sizes. I see. Interesting color, huh? I like
Okay,
long.
perfect. Yes, Adam.
I finished.
You finished? Thank you so much. Awesome job. And then after we are finished working on the worksheets, I am going to give you guys an exit ticket. You guys can write a sentence about what you guys think the answer is. The answer or the question is, why are magnifying glasses important? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give you your exit ticket. You can write a short sentence, you can write a couple sentences. We have 4 minutes left of this unit, so you want to try and make sure that your answer doesn't take too long to write, okay? Beautiful. Good job. No, it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect.
My favorite teacher, my favorite. Please. What is good?
And here is this.
What is it?
So.
My surname, no? No?
Mhm.
My surname?
Yes. That's fine. And then once we're done,
English or Russian?
whatever is easier.
Helen Ivasenko, yes? Only. That's
Yes.
it?
Just Russian.
Look, Helen.
Perfect.
Helen. Michael,
He's okay. I checked on him.
you see?
Uh-huh.
You can see?
I saw.
No?
I when I was walking around, I saw him.
Oh, please.
Perfect. Thank you
That's
so much. Thank
only
you.
this.
That's great. Thank you.
Very easy.
Yeah.
Oi, why I cannot understand English? Huh? Why?
That's okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so I have just a few questions to wrap up this unit. What are some things that we can use magnifying glasses for? Adam?
Salt and tiny things like ants and spider eggs and stuff that's small.
Exactly. So we can use magnifying glass for anything that's small that we want to see appear bigger, right? I love that answer. What are some different forms of magnifying glasses that we talked about earlier in class?
To see things how they get bigger and smaller.
Yeah, definitely. But I'm asking, what are some things that we use that are like magnifying glasses that make objects appear bigger? Yeah.
Glasses.
Yeah.
And magnifying glasses.
Microscopes.
Telescopes.
Yeah, high five. That is an awesome answer. Okay, last one.
Horoscope. I know, horoscope.
Telescope and microscope.
Horoscope.
Yes.
Horoscope for stars.
Exactly.
For big.
Yes. To make things appear larger.
Long, как сказать, long.
The telescope is longer.
Distance. Long distance.
Yeah, long distance.
For long distance, yes?
Exactly. Yes, very good. And how did the magnifying glass help with drawing pictures of the seeds?
It helped us because some of the seeds were small and some of them were big. So we were seeing if the smaller seeds can get bigger and if the bigger seeds can get smaller.
Yeah, exactly. We used it to see the details of each seed because some were big. Like the pumpkin seeds were pretty good. They were pretty big, right? But cactus seeds were really small, and so were the daisy. They were very small. This one, it was medium. Yeah, they're all different sizes, so it helped us see all the details on each seed. So today you were able to use the handheld magnifying glass to see and draw objects that normally are hard hard to see because they're so small. Now that you understand the purpose of magnifying glasses, you will be able to recognize when to use them in the future. Some of you may use them every day by wearing glasses. Others will use them in future science classes when they use microscopes and telescopes. So thank you guys for being so good and filling out the exit tickets accordingly. I can't wait to read them, and we will move on to our next unit.